Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and if you are not new here, welcome back. My name is Toby. I'm a braider based in Kurasi, Nigeria, and in today's video I'll be making Thailand goddess or Bohemian knotless braids on this unstretched natural hair. In case you're watching for the first time, I do not like to use heat on my client's hair, so I braid it in its natural state. I just use the Hawaiian Silky 14 in 1 Miracle Worker to moisturize my client's hair so it is not dry and to also make it easy for me to detangle. Then I proceed to oil their scalp and massage the oil in. This helps make blood flow through their hair follicles to promote hair growth, and it also relaxes them. This massage process is very satisfying to watch, so I'll just let it play for a while so you can enjoy the whole process. Moving on, I remoisturize again and I proceed to carefully detangle the hair. Now, emphasis on the carefully because it is very easy for you to cause pain and breakage to your client's hair if you do not carefully detangle their hair. Now, for you to detangle carefully, all you have to do is grab the hair by the root and then comb out the fluffy ends of the hair. Then when you comb that one out and it is well detangled, you can go ahead to comb it from the root out, and this will make it very painless. And still, don't forget to moisturize the hair before you detangle. It is very important that you moisturize the hair before you detangle. So now that the hair prep is out of the way, we will proceed to pre-parting the hair. The part sizing for this style is medium, and I already have an in-depth pre-parting tutorial on my channel for medium braids, and I'll link it in the description box, so you should go check it out. I also have for small, I have jumbo coming up soon as well as large, and when they are all up, I'll put them in the description box below so you can go check them out. Now moving to the braiding section of this video, as I said, I'll be making goddess or bohemian braids, which is also known as boho braids. And for this first layer, I'm not going to be feeding in curly hair on any of the braids, and this is because some people sweat a lot around the nape, that neck area. People sweat a lot there, and that will cause the hair to mat and tangle up. So I started feeding the curly pieces on the second row, and you will see that in a minute. I don't think I mentioned, but this extension color that we are using is a color blend, and it is already up on my channel. I'll also link it in the description box below, so you should go check it out as well because it is popping and it is very very beautiful. But while you are still here, just let me know in the comment section. Let me know your guesses. Like, let me know what colors you think I mixed in the comment section below, and the winner gets a shout out in my next video. So yeah, drop your guesses in the comment section below, so I know if you've watched it before, or if you have like, if you know how to really really blend colors, or you know about the whole color blending thing. So yeah, drop it in the comment section below, and as I said, the winner gets a shout out in my next video. Another thing I didn't mention is the color of the curly hair that I used for this hair. I used color 30 curly hair, and that is just so that there's a contrast, like a little bit of contrast in the color, and everything is not just the same color. I feel like if everything is like the same color, it won't really look good. It will look good, but I just wanted a little something, and my client really really loved it, and the end result was beautiful. Like, I didn't expect it to be as beautiful as it turned out. So yeah, watch till the end if you want to see how it turned out, and don't forget to leave your guesses in the comment section below. Don't forget to do that. If you're watching this as a client, I just want to let you know that Bohemian braid is not a wear and go type of braids. Depending on the type of curls you use, it is going to tangle if you do not take proper care of it. I used human hair blend for this braid, for my client's braid, and the curls are loose, so it won't tangle as easily as synthetic tight curls would. However, it can get frizzy if it is not well maintained. For maintenance, all you need to do is saturate the curls with leave-in or mousse to revive the curls, and also try to detangle carefully from time to time. If you can't do this, there are three options. The first one, please do not do Bohemian braids. The second option is do it, and when the curls start looking ugly, just cut out the curls and then you can wear the braids as normal. And then the third thing is, make sure you don't use too much curly hair. The more curls you have in your hair, the easier the tangle. Like, the more it will tangle, if that makes sense. So try to tell your braider not to use as much curly hair. You can just use like well, you can just tell your brother that you don't want a whole lot of curly hair, and then they would know what to do about it. I hope this helps you if you've ever had like bad experience with bohemian braids, or if you are thinking about making bohemian braids but you are scared of the old curly thing, just do all these things and I promise you that you'll be good to go. So I'm just going to let you watch the remaining part of the video without me talking. But I just want to let you guys know that this took me 13 hours to make and the end result was so beautiful. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed already. Turn on post notification as well so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!